Forget what movies show you. Real cyber attacks are shockingly ordinary. And that's exactly why they work. Let's talk about how most cyber attacks actually happen. When people think about hacking, they often imagine something cinematic. A shadowy figure, hammering code, dodging firewalls, breaking into systems with elite level skills. But the reality? Most breaches happen through basic entry points. Things so ordinary, you'd never expect them to lead to total compromise. Let's use a metaphor. Imagine you've built a castle. Thick stone walls, drawbridge, moat, all the works. But then you realize you left a side door open. Or the guard at the gate is letting people in without checking who they are. That's how most businesses get breached. Not through brute force, but through misconfigurations, weak credentials, or human error. For example, phishing is still the #1 way in. It's low cost, scalable, and brutally effective. One employee clicks a fake invoice or credential prompt, boom, attacker's in. Compromised credentials. Hackers don't need to guess passwords anymore. They buy login details off the dark web. Sometimes yours, sometimes your vendors. Exposed services. The Remote Desktop Protocols, or RDP, left open to the internet is like leaving your front door unlocked. And once attackers get in through that door, they can deploy ransomware in minutes. Supply chain attacks. If you're an MSP or rely on third-party software, attackers may not hit you directly. They go after your vendors and use them to get to you. Now here's the critical point. Most businesses are still operating under the illusion that prevention is enough. But even with great prevention, things still slip through. Just like in the physical world, no alarm system is perfect. You still lock your doors, but you also install motion sensors, cameras, maybe even hire guards. You plan for what happens after someone gets in. And that's where detection and response come to play. You need systems that can detect unusual behavior, like someone logging in at 3 a.m. from a foreign country, stop lateral movement before it reaches critical systems, isolate infected devices automatically, and alert your team or your MSP to respond fast, minutes, not hours. This is what we mean when we talk about layered security. It's not just a firewall. It's not just antivirus. It's a strategy that assumes breach and then actively hunts and contains threats before they escalate. For MSPs and business owners, this is especially important. If you don't have in-house security teams, you need solutions that are proactive, not just alerting, but responding. Whether that's through MDR, managed detection and response, XDR platforms, or outsourced SOC services. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. You may already be compromised and not even know it. Many attacks aren't smash and grab anymore. They're slow, methodical, and stealthy. Attackers may sit inside your network for weeks, even months, gathering data, escalating privileges, and preparing to hit when it's most painful. So ask yourself, do you have visibility into what's happening inside your environment? Would you even know if something was off? Prevention is your first line of defense, but response is your safety net. And in the world of modern cyber threats, having both isn't optional, it's essential. And Pax8 is here to help you cover those essentials. Whether it's through enablement with our security-guided growth programs or our security consultations, or whether it's with solutions that you can add to your own businesses and your clients that will help you defend against these type of attacks. Reach out to your local account manager or check out the Pax8 marketplace to learn more.